Have you ever had that moment while driving where something happens behind your car and you think, I really hope my dash cam caught that? Now the problem is, most dash cams only record the front, but real road incidents don't always happen directly in front of you. This is why the Botslab G980H 3K 4-channel dash cam feels different. This cam gives your car full angle protection with 4-channel recording, a 170-degree front view, 2 120-degree side views, and a 150-degree rear view, giving you up to 560 degrees of coverage around the vehicle. So guess what? Gone are the days when you could only see what happens ahead. Now you can also capture side scratches, lane incidents, rear-end situations, and moments you don't want to miss. And this is not it. The front camera records up to 3K in 4-channel mode, while the rear and side cameras record in 1080p. The side cameras are also magnetically detachable, so you can customize the setup, remove one side camera, and the system can switch to a 3-channel mode with up to 4K in front recording. This makes it useful for every sort of driver, according to their needs. And they can change these cameras at their home because the installation is very easy. And once everything is set, the 3.18-inch touch display gives you a clear 4-way split-screen view. For night driving, the G980H uses a f1.8 aperture, a 6-lens system, and 940-nanometer infrared LEDs designed to capture clearer footage in low light, including license plates in darker conditions. That matters because many accidents, bumps, and parking lot issues happen at night. Another feature I really like is voice control. While driving, you can use hands-free commands like take photo, which is safer than touching the screen while your eyes are on the road. And the parking protection? Well, the G980H supports 24/7 parking monitoring. Sentry mode can start recording when movement is detected within 5 meters. Time-lapse mode records continuously at 1 frame per second, and collision detection locks important impact footage instantly. More importantly, it features an incredible 8-second emergency pre-recording function, which automatically saves the crucial moments right before an impact occurs, ensuring your evidence is completely seamless and whole. It also includes built-in high-precision GPS, so your speed, location, and route are recorded in real time. And for sharing footage, the 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi transfer offers blazing speeds of 300 to 800 megabits, which is 300% faster than the standard 2.4 GHz, making emergency downloads quicker. Plus, a 128 gigabyte SD card is included in the package. And because it uses a supercapacitor instead of a regular battery, it is built to handle temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, making it more reliable for long-term use. So, if you want more than a basic front camera, the Botslab G980H gives you wider coverage, stronger parking protection, better night recording, and smarter evidence collection. Check the product link for more details.